I'm going to share with you 15 apps that I use weekly that help me carry out my tasks as a teacher. We're wasting time. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Allie Mack and I am a teacher and I'm here to help you have the best school year ever. So let's go ahead and get into the video. The first app that I always have on my phone is Google Classroom. And if you use Google Classroom in your class, which most of us do, you need this on your phone. You can add assignments and tasks in your class's messages, and it's just a really easy way to control your class and get some work done on your phone so you don't have to be on a laptop. The next app you need on your phone is Google Voice. This allows you to contact parents and not use your real phone number. A lot of us don't like giving out our real phone number, and you can keep track of it on your phone. So this is a must. Get it. The next app that I have on my phone is Any Downloader. I can download videos and music or whatever from YouTube, and I can save it to my phone, or I can export it to different apps like iMovie. So get it. It's good. It is 99 cents and that is unlimited downloads. I use this on all kinds of projects in my classroom, especially my escape rooms. It just adds a fun little twist to different activities that you can use in your classroom. One of my favorite ways to use this is to add transition music to my board so we can transition through music. And that's fun, right? Now, this next app is Voice Memos, and it comes on an iPhone, and I'm sure if you have an Android phone, you can get something similar. This is a great way to record things or give yourself a memo or a note of a task you need to do. Also, it's very helpful if a student likes to deny things, and you can secretly hide it in your pocket and then prove to them that they were in fact talking. I use this a little bit, but now it's like they know that they never know when I have like a hidden camera or hidden memo going or recording, so they usually just own up to it, and then we don't have any problems. So voice memos or something like it will be very helpful to you. Get it or keep it. I also like how you can export it to a variety of apps. The next app that I must have on my phone is Pinterest. You can get a variety of ideas for your classroom on a variety of topics, no matter what subject you teach. And this is my source for all of my inspiration. So Pinterest is a big deal, and if you are a teacher, you are a fool to not have it on your phone. Get it! Another app that I keep on my phone is Google Keep. I use this in my professional and personal life. I use it for everything. Anytime I need a note, I put it here. And then this way, if I lose my phone, I can access it through the internet. So that is really, really cool. You need to get this on your phone. Even if you have an Apple phone, it's perfect for notes. You don't need any other note app but this one. ZipGrader is another app that you need on your phone. It is very easy to use, and you can use it to give instant feedback to students. It gives you data and charts and different ways to look at the data so you can help your students be better at a certain skill. Simply download the Scantrons from their website. You can choose between 20, 50, and 100. Then edit the key in the app, and then you're ready to scan. Once you start scanning, it'll give you their grade immediately, and it is perfect. You need this in your life. Another app you need in your life is Google Calendar, because this allows you to see it in list view, month view, and you can share it with your colleagues, so it makes working together easier. Google Translate is another app that you need to have. This allows you to communicate with students that do not speak English. And look, it makes them feel better to see that you are trying to communicate with them. This app has been my best friend this school year so far, and you can see if you start exploring that you can get a variety of languages, not just Spanish. I love the camera feature because this allows you to hover over a text and it'll translate it into the student's language so they can read what everybody else is reading without having to type it into the computer to get a translation that way. I also like the conversation part because this allows you to say something to your student in English, it'll translate it in Spanish or whatever language, then you can hand the phone to them and they can say whatever in their native language and then it'll translate it into English. This allows conversation to be easier, but both parties need to keep in mind that it's not going to be perfect, but it's better than nothing, right? This app has been such a lifesaver and I can't say enough good things about it. Another app that I love having on my phone is Teachers Pay Teachers app. I can browse in my bed for free resources or paid resources, whichever, whether it be for classroom management or for my content area, and I can find a variety of tasks and ideas, and I don't have to reinvent the wheel. And the best part is I can do this from my phone, so while I'm waiting on a doctor's appointment or if I'm in bed or just kind of chilling, I can kind of work and do my other activities at the same time. And if you sell things on TPT, then you can manage those as well. Another app is POPSICLESTICKSUNLIMITED. There is a fee, but it adds that level of surprise so students are kept on their toes. And if you've seen my other videos, you know that I like to add random as one of my types of questions. This keeps students on their toes and they're more likely to pay attention to your lesson if they have no idea if you are going to call on them. And you don't have to keep up with a bunch of popsicle sticks or worry about losing them. I know I had one year where students liked to steal their popsicle stick because it had their name on it, which I thought was kind of weird because you could easily just buy a popsicle stick and put your name on it, but for some reason they wanted mine. You know what? Now that I'm talking, I think I realize why they stole their popsicle stick. They did not want me to call on them. Ha ha ha. Okay, I finally get it. Better late than never, right? Anyway, this seems like a cool app, right? Another app that I keep on my phone is Dictionary. This allows me to learn new words, also look up words, and also use the thesaurus feature. I have noticed that the older I get, the worse my spelling gets. And this is just an easy way for me to check myself to make sure that I'm spelling words correctly. Tell me in the comments how you use the Dictionary app because I know a lot of you have this on your phone already because it's just a smart app to keep on your phone. This app has come a long way since I first got it. I know when I first had it, it was basically just look up words, it tells you the definition, but now it has all these little extra features and extra cool ways that we can use the words and look up new words, and I'll just look. There's all kinds of cool stuff on here. Check it out. Another app that I have really been loving is the Rosetta Stone app. Now I know that this thing used to cost a lot of money and it can cost money if you would like that, but I just chose the free version. And I know a lot of people like Duolingo, and I do too, but I think this one is better for me personally because you get to see pictures while you practice the new language. And I like being able to see the things and then adding commentary to these pictures to learn the language. I think this is what's going to help me learn a few phrases and things so I can communicate easily with my students that do not speak English. I also love seeing their faces when I learn a new word or phrase and they know I'm trying to communicate with them and it's not just one-sided. Speaking of apps that I use as a teacher is the Walmart grocery app. I go in, I shop from my phone, I set up a pickup time, I pay for it through my card, I go pick up it whenever they tell me it is ready, and this saves me so much time so I don't have to spend an hour in the grocery store. So I can just quickly add things on my phone. I don't have to spend more money than I need to from buying impulse buys. And I know it's not teacher app-ish per se, but it saves me time and it helps me use my time wisely, work smarter, not harder, and it's so easy and they're so friendly when you come and pick up your groceries, and it's really, really nice. Also, I love that they substitute. So if they don't have an item, they will usually upgrade whatever it is you originally purchased. Now with this app, you can't buy everything in the store, but you can buy groceries, you can buy makeup, you can buy shampoo, conditioner, toiletry type things. You can buy stuff for your pets. Things like that are basically necessities you can buy straight from this app, and you don't have to go to the grocery store. And this avoids all kinds of family fights that my family has when we go to the store. So it's perfect and I love it. The last app that I'm going to share with you is the GROOVY grader. And the reason why I like this app is it makes it easy for you to finally score kids' assessments if you don't do it digitally. And I like that you can choose how many questions you have and it'll tell you what the grade is. That way, grading is easy and you don't have to keep up with a hard copy of the Easy Grader. I know that I'm always losing my Easy Grader, so this is perfect for me. Very simple app, but it's easy to use and it's all you need if you're trying to score students' work. And the whole point of these apps is to make your life easier. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found it helpful. Please leave a comment down below on which apps you already use or which one you think you might start using. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll have it linked in the description below. And you all have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.